Have your kids suffered with a cold this winter? Hi, I'm Dr. Andy from Open Space Healing, Fremantle's hub for everything holistic chiropractic, and today we're going to be going over our favourite natural vapor rub to help your children when they are congested and have a cold. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make this easy recipe, and you won't feel so powerless when your child is ill, and you'll be able to help them with something that's really effective. As parents who have had sick children before, we know that a cold and congestion and cough is not fun at all, especially at night time. When the child is lying down in their bed, it just seems like the cough and the sniffle just won't go away and keeps all of us up at night time. Unfortunately, many of the commercial products on the market that are vapor rubs will contain petroleum and camphor, which is a synthetically produced part of turpentine oil. Yes, you heard it correctly. These products contain petroleum, which is very toxic and a known carcinogen, as well as camphor, which has been derived from turpentine oil, which is what you get at Bunnings or the hardware store. It is extremely easy to make your own vapor rub at home, and you will love this recipe that you can just grab out of your cupboard at any time to help your child. Some of our favorite essential oils for putting into this special vapor rub are peppermint, which is very cooling and anti-inflammatory, eucalyptus, which is antimicrobial, lemon, which helps with breathing and any respiratory problems, also lavender, which is very calming, and tea tree, which is antiviral, antimicrobial, which will help to kill any pathogens as well. So all you will need is a really good quality coconut oil and some butter, so cacao butter or shea butter are really good options, and making sure that these are at room temperature or melted. Essentially 4 tablespoons of each oil, the coconut oil and whichever butter you choose, melted, and then heating that up if you have to melt it, then letting it cool for a few minutes, and then once it's cool, however, in the liquid form, add in your essential oils and either whisk them or stir them around. And then placing that mixture into a jar. Make sure that the container is sterilized with steam, that it's glass, and it has a really tight lid to lock in all of the goodness. So simply take a small amount of the vapor rub if your child is sick, and you can rub it onto their chest or into your hands and get them to breathe in the oils when they're sick. You can apply the rub every couple of hours or as needed. Because the oils are very diluted, then generally they are safe to use for children over 3 years of age. However, if you are concerned at all, then please speak with your health practitioner before using any of these oils. Also, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, then definitely speak with your health provider before creating this vapor rub. This month, we are really focused on helping you and your family thrive with ease. That's why we've created our brand new offering, introducing Lunchbox Goodness in Disguise, a recipe book containing our favorite nutritious and delicious snack ideas that your kids will actually eat. All you have to do is click on the link provided and it will be directed straight into your inbox. So there you have it, our favorite natural vapor rub to use on your children or yourself. So if this has been helpful, then please share it with any of your family or friends who would like this information, and yeah, let us know how it worked for you.